What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I hope you guys are all spending time with your loved ones, your family. I hope you guys are getting all cool presents. Comment down below, what kind of present did you guys get? I'm curious to know. Also guys, we did it 25 days straight of Vlogmas, every single day for you guys. And like I said in the previous vlog, I'm super proud of myself that I was able to accomplish this, because like I said, for the past 2 years, I've been trying to do this Vlogmas for every single day, and it's tough. But this year, I pushed myself and I was like, I gotta make a video every single day. I gotta come up with stuff, and I did it. I hope you guys all enjoyed the content that me and the homies that pushed out for you guys, Nick and Daniel. What are you guys doing for Christmas? Comment down below, what are you guys gonna do? Before we get into the rest of the video, I have a special package. As you can see, it's a heavy box. So first off, I want to give a shout out to 3D Car Care. I'm going to drop their Instagram right here on the screen so you guys can go follow them and check them out. 3D Car Care, they make like literally the best car products for your car, cleaning products. So they went ahead and sent us a package, and we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. I'm super excited to see what they sent, and yeah, let's get into it. So let me go ahead, and I should have got something sharper, but let's see if I can open this up. Did you guys put up a Christmas tree as well? Comment down below. All right. Let's check this out, guys. I'm super excited. Let's see what they sent us. Wow, holy crap. Starting off, we got, bam, look at that. Microfiber towels. This is a hydrofill, ultra thick premium 1200 GSM microfiber drying towel. Super absorbent, scratch free. And it's like in a green color too. Match the holidays. Damn, this is sick. And the packaging too is so freaking nice. Damn. This is crazy. This is super nice. Thank you guys. 3D Car Care. Amazing quality product. I can't wait to test this out. This is gonna be sick. And the next thing, damn, they sent us a lot of stuff. Holy shit. All right. Oh my gosh. We got the Ultimate Wash Foamy Car Soap. Look at that. Let's see if we can focus. Probably not. Nope, there we go. Damn, this is sick. I can't wait to test this too. Wow. Ultimate Wash. All right. Next, what do we got? We have ceramic matte tire, hydrophobic tire protectant. Look at that. Damn. This is sick too. I can't wait to test these out too. I'm sure they smell good too. I want to smell them too. You guys ever smell car products? They smell good. All right, next we got the ceramic interior detailer, interior protectant spray. Look at that. Wow. Bro, this is gonna be crazy. Next, we have the ceramic detailer, hydrophobic protectant spray. There we go, look at that. Shout out to 3D Car Care, you guys are amazing. This is crazy. All right, let's keep opening up. What do we got here? Iron remover, iron oxide and brake dust remover. Sheesh, I know that's gonna come in handy for sure. Cause you know the brakes be getting dusty, bro. Especially on the E92, because they're not carbon ceramics, so I know that they're gonna be getting dusty. Next, wheel, oh, this is my favorite. Wheel and tire cleaner, look at that. Safe on all finishes. Damn, fire. This, I can't wait to test out. We're gonna go wash the car after this. And last but not least, guys, ceramic glass cleaner. Hydrophobic protectant spray. Ceramic glass cleaner, look at that. That's crazy. Damn, that was a lot. Yo, seriously, guys, big shout out to 3D Car Care. I seriously appreciate you guys. If you guys wanna get any of their products, like I said, I'm gonna drop the Instagram again once right here on the screen. Go follow them, go cop some stuff for your car, because I know us car guys, we love having our cars cleaned, and you know, we want the best product for our cars. So this is it right here, 3D Car Care. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Like I said, drop a comment down below. What did you guys get for Christmas? I'm curious to know. I don't even know what I got for Christmas. You can see we got the tree right here. We got all the gifts. I wish they were all for me. That'd be crazy. For the rest of today's video, there's really not much to do, but we need to go and wash the M4 GTS because the GTS is super dirty. It's been raining a lot here in LA for the past 3-4 days. The car is super dirty and got 3D car care products as our back. So we're gonna go ahead, go to the car wash, wash the whip, get it looking right. Yeah, see how these things perform. I don't know if I can use like the ultimate, the foam car soap. I don't know if it's meant for matte paint. I think this might work though on the E92 for sure. But for sure we can use like the glass cleaner, we can use the wheel and tire cleaner. We can use pretty much all of the products that they have sent us. So like I said, big shout out to 3D Car Care. I seriously appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for showing the love and support. If you guys want to go and cop some amazing products from them, I'll drop their Instagram once again down below and in the description box down below, just in case you guys missed it here on the screen. So on with the rest of today's video. Let's go. Here, I'll show you guys a tree. It's not a real tree, guys, because unfortunately, I'm allergic to the pine on here. I can't have a real tree. So sucks, but it's all good. It still looks sick. Don't mind the pink decorations. I would have went with a different color, but it's all good. But as you can see, we got the tree set up. Super nice, looks good. It's got like some little fake snow on there, but it still looks sick. We got all of these gifts. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo. Which ones are mine, low key? I'm trying to find out which ones are mine. I don't know. It's not that many gifts, honestly, but sheesh. Not too rich. But yeah, you can see we got the Kevin, the stocking right there. Sheesh. We got my two little cousins right there. Took a photo with Santa. Yes, sir. We got the tree set up. Looks nice. I wish we could leave the tree like this all year long. Looks nice inside the house. And we got some more little Christmas decorations up here. As you can see, some chill, something light. But yeah, big shout out to 3D Car Care. You guys gotta go and cop some cleaning products for your car. Car guys, car enthusiasts, I know you guys always love to have your cars clean, just like me. We need the best of the best. We need to have the best towels. We need to have the best tire shine, ceramic, soap, everything for our cars to be looking right. So, like I said, big shout out to 3D Car Care. Oop. Big shout out to 3D Car Care. Go follow them on Instagram. Go cop some stuff. Oh shit, I didn't even see this. What is this? Damn, is this chocolate and cookies? Oh my. Yo, I'm about to grab some real quick. Sheesh. As you can see, we got all of their products lined up. Looking hella clean. Sheesh. Every car enthusiast needs each and one of these, that's for sure. I know that for a fact. Damn. All right, guys, we have finally made it to the car wash. The car is insanely dirty, guys. Like, this rain has it all messed up. Look at the side skirts. Everything is dirty. You can see from all through the sides and everything is just nasty. The back windshield looks dirty. The spoiler, look at that. Oh my gosh, bro. I brought some of the products with me so I can show you guys. So we got the towel with us. We got the wheel and tire cleaner. We got the ceramic glass cleaner. We got the interior. And then we got, for the matte tire, the tire shine. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the microfiber towel and let's see how this towel performs. As you can see, it's my first time, brand new towel, and look at that already. Damn. Okay, damn. Bro, that was just with one wipe. Yo, that shit like dried it. This is a good towel. Yo, shout out to 3D Car Care one time. Ah, damn. All right, guys, I'm gonna dry the whole car up because it's hard to film and dry the car up. So I gotta hurry up because we are in the sun. Spots to be on the car. So guys, it's crazy. I can't believe how much I've dried the car up with just this towel. Literally in just one wipe. It's insane. Literally, look at that. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's kind of hard to vlog and dry a car, but like, check this out. The whole spoiler, as you can see, is wet. And then with just one, literally one wipe, it's completely dried up. Look at that. Bro, I need a cameraman. Who's down to be the cameraman? All right, guys, now that the car is completely dried up, other than like the windows and stuff and the windshield, we're gonna go ahead and use the ceramic glass cleaner. Flip the towel over real quick. There we go. Window looks literally like brand new. All right, next is the ceramic interior detailer. We're gonna go ahead and spray this onto a clean microfiber towel, and we're gonna do a little wipe off. See, it's kind of dirty right here. So, all right, new solution, guys. I put the camera on top of the roof. So we're gonna spray onto the new microfiber towel, and then we're gonna go ahead and spray there. So, damn, this just smells bomb, I'm not gonna lie. All right, we're gonna go ahead and clean there. Ooh. As you can see, that's pretty clean. All right, and last but not least, the ceramic matte tire. But the only thing is, I don't think I can use it because I don't have a little brush to do it on. So, but try to figure out a way where we can try to show you a little bit. Maybe I'll put some on a towel and see. All right, guys, I got it opened up. Dude, this shit smells like yogurt. Like, you guys know Yogurt Plate yogurt has that smell? This is what it smells like. All right, I tried to as much as I could, but I need a brush and stuff like that. So, but you can see a little bit. It's like a matte tire shine. Oh my gosh, it looks so freaking clean, guys. There's nothing like having a clean car. Damn, shit came out perfect. I'm telling you guys, that towel helped out a lot. That towel was insane. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays, Happy New Year's. I wish you guys all the best. Spend time with your loved ones, your families. Comment down below, what'd you guys get for Christmas? See you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.